With decimation and atlas baking in RapidPipeline, you can optimize both geometry and materials in a single click, making your assets light and real-time ready. This trainer shoe model has 140,000 faces and 4 materials, with overall 12 texture maps, far from ideal for real-time use. Manually decimating the mesh and baking texture atlases is possible, but incredibly time-consuming. That's where RapidPipeline steps in. Inside RapidPipeline for 3ds Max, you'll find several actions. For this case, we'll use Decimate and Bake Atlas. You can adjust settings like texture baking resolution, face target, or explore advanced options like Atlas mode. In this case, we'll stick with the defaults and hit run. The shoe has now been fully optimized, decimated to around 80,000 faces, with all materials baked into a single one, bringing the texture count down to just 3. It's significantly lighter and ready for real-time use. Depending on your needs, you may want to change the Atlas mode to group by material altogether or other criteria. Tweak the Atlas factor to control texture count and textile density, or even use our smart size on screen target to automatically adjust your targets for optimal use in a specific size on screen in pixels. Optimize your models fast, flexibly, and effortlessly with RapidPipeline for 3ds Max. Try it for free or chat with our human team right on the website.